see anything to these kids, it's a blessing.
33, saka 32. Wait lang po. Wait lang.
It's just heartbreaking, it really is. Right, now John here is the barangay captain, right? He's committed himself to every month he's going to feed the children, the poor children, right?
Because there's a lot of poor kids that is malnourished.
Thank you to Rick
And
Michelle. They've been consistent every year. They've sent toys. Bless you, mate. Bless you and Michelle.
We need to show the toys.
Yeah, there's toys here. I don't know how they're giving them away, but there's, oh, we've got numbers on them. So guys, oh, can you thank Michelle and Rick for the toys? Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. They're doing a raffle, guys, for the bigger toys. Look at the kids lining up. See, even though the toys are second-hand, right, it doesn't matter to these kids because they get nothing. Get absolutely nothing. Do you know, I've said in the past, guys, if you want to sponsor some toys for the kids for next year, nobody's done anything, just Rick.
They're giving toys and burger, angel burgers.
Angel burger.
And then a porridge.
My priority here is to the children.
To the children. So every month you're doing a feeding program?
Yeah, every month. Because there's a lot of poor kids malnourished, and the other priority of him is to have a good, better education.
I'm a good character sort of person. He's got a good heart and his heart's in the right place. So vote for June. So if he decides to become barangay captain again, vote for June.
2025. The new election again.
Next election is
2025.
2
Okay.
years na ba? 2 years.
Oh.
Before it's 3 years.
So I know your intentions as the kids, but what is your future intentions? What do you want to do to change things?
Here, our barangay is many. We have many. We have to change. Like the senior citizen,
They have office.
Yeah,
May office.
they have an office, senior citizen, person with disability,
PWD.
solo parents. They have an office here now, and then my program to them is to like senior citizen, give them sufficient medicine,
Right, got you. Got you.
and the PWD senior citizen better sufficient medicine. So,
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share. Bye now.
Say bye.
Bye.
and thank you to all the subscribers. Please, thank you for all the support and help the children here in our barangay. Thank you very much. Sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.